What's up, guys? Jake here, and I have a gun. A gun. A gun. It's a BB gun, of course. Hold on, let me show it to you. I'll be back. Okay, here it is. There's a CO2 cartridge. CO2. Here's the BBs. That's not all of them, by the way. It's just some BBs. Let me go show you all the BBs. There's all the BBs. There's all the BBs. Oh, and there's another CO2 in there. All the BBs and stuff. Hi, Bella. Hi, Shimba. You guys need to stay out of here. They come in here because they're scared of it, but that's actually where it is in here. Yep, it's like drive-bys with Rick Grimes be like, boy. Donk. I'm shooting that bag. But yeah, it's a CO2 powered BB gun. If you can't see the green BBs right there. Hold on. Get out of there. Go. CO2 powered BB gun. Sorry for my voice, guys. That's why I don't like uploading videos. It really, really, really hurts my voice. Oh God, when I'm sick, it hurts my voice really bad to upload any videos. That's why I haven't been. That's why a lot of YouTubers don't upload videos when they're sick. Because if they have sore throat, then it hurts really bad to commentate and talk and stuff. That was my phone. Sorry, guys. Safe. Off safe. Hammer can cock back and shoot. Or you can just straight up shoot it. Boom, 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 boom. Tell me if you guys hear a difference in this. Does it sound any different or not? But, I just want to tell you guys that I have a BB gun, so, look forward to when I'm not sick, when I feel better and stuff, look forward to some, I might do one today, I don't know, it depends on if I feel just a little bit better or not, but might take you guys outside and show you what this bad boy can do. But, yeah, the reason why I haven't been uploading is because I'm sick. So, thank you guys for watching this. No promises, but I might upload a video today of showing you guys how and what this thing can do and how it fires and all that. And when I'm not sick no more, hopefully by next week I won't be, because next week it's supposed to be like up in the 60s for the whole week. Sunshine and beautifulness. But, yeah. I just wanted to show you guys that I have a gun, a BB gun, and it's awesome. I love it. It's so cool. It's like drive-bys with Rick Grimes be like, boom, boom, boom. But I'm not going to show you guys, I'm not going to show my face in this one because, number one, I'm really sick, and number two, I don't have a shirt on right now. So, yeah. I love this thing. It's such a beast. It's awesome. But, thank you guys for watching. Look forward to a video, maybe. of how this thing shoots and stuff, showing you what it can do. I might do one of those today. And I'll see you guys. Can you guys hear my voice? Sucks, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome. Sorry for no videos. I'll try to do one today, like I said. But stay awesome. Peace out.